Home Remedies presents.
Try this miracle remedy to stop rapid hair loss and grow new hair. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia, and if you are someone who is looking for a method to stop hair loss and accelerate its growth, but you are not willing to submit to costly and invasive treatments, then today's recipe is for you. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. The recipe is all natural and with products readily available in your kitchen. Its application must be constant, and many people lose patience before observing their excellent results. The key ingredient in today's recipe is amongst the natural ingredients that are vital to combat baldness, which is brewer's yeast. It is a unicellular fungus that is obtained from the decomposition of gluten barley. Brewer's yeast is very important because it helps strengthen the hair and make it grow healthily. The reason is that this food supplement contains vitamin B, thiamine, pyridoxine, folic acid, niacin, and vitamin B2, all elements that help maintain a strong and healthy hair. Where to buy? You can easily find brewer's yeast at the health food stores, or you can also purchase it online. If you do not get the extract, you can buy it in pills and crush them to obtain a powder to make its use easier. Mask of brewer's yeast and olive oil. Brewer's yeast and olive oil are an excellent combination to combat hair loss because olive oil enhances the properties of yeast, strengthening the scalp and allowing the healthy growth of hair. Furthermore, both ingredients help moisturize and soften the hair, acting as a conditioner. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of brewer's yeast, half cup of olive oil. Usage: place the yeast and olive oil in a bowl and mix until getting the consistency of a cream. Moisten your hair and apply this cream on it. Leave on for 10 minutes. Shampoo as normal. You will be able to notice the difference from the first application, and you can use it twice a week for best results. This is an excellent method to stop hair loss and accelerate its growth because it is inexpensive and do not get any side effects for our body. Give it a try.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.